Hello, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with YouTube Shorts. Now it's a very easy process. So in this process we will be using a website called Opus Clips or Opus Pro. Now what you have to do is first let me search this on your Google Chrome browser. Then simply do a quick sign up and create your own free account. Now once you have your account, go to your dashboard by clicking on my dashboard over here. And now all you have to do is just simply drag and drop a video link or a video file. It's totally up to you. The minimum video file size is up to 10 GB as you can see right over here. Or what you can do is you can directly upload the video link from a YouTube video itself. Now there are a few things that you have to keep in mind before using the software. So the videos that you have to choose is video podcast style or educational style videos or commentary style videos or product review or motivational speeches. Now you can also use vlogging, gaming videos and music videos as well. But in those videos, there will be a lot of motion and elements. So the software over here will not be able to create good shots. But if they are still and non-high edited videos, this software will be able to create good looking and viral shots. Now the thing that we want to achieve from this website is we're going to use a long podcast, and this website is going to chop out most of the podcast and it is going to keep the best parts and according to the software the most viral worthy part of the podcast or any other video that you have added right over here. Now for this example I'm going to use a podcast from Dr. Huberman over here. So what you have to do is just simply get your link from a YouTube, then paste that link right over here. Now wait for a few seconds and then it will automatically give you some options right over here. Now you will have your caption styles right over here. So scroll down and choose your caption style by choosing this arrow option over here and pick a good looking caption style. So once you go through all the caption style and you like any one of them, just simply pick them by choosing this option just like this and then scroll down and choose more settings. Now over here if you want to add captions without clipping, you can enable this option, but in my case I'm going to keep this as default. So now just simply choose a genre of the video. Now, in my case, the video from Dr. Huberman is a commentary style video. So just simply choose this video over here. Then just simply choose the preferred clip size. Now, if you're using this for YouTube Shorts, make sure to keep your length size between 30 to 60 seconds over here. Now, if you have any specific keywords that you want to add, you can just simply add them right over here. Now, once you're done with all the settings, just simply click on Get Clips in one click. Now wait for all the clips. It might take some minutes, so be patient. So over here, choose personal and then just simply fill up all the parts over here. And now just simply wait for the entire clips to form. So it will mail you directly on the email address which you've signed up with once all of your clips are ready. Now once everything is ready, it will look something like this and your entire podcast or video clips or video will be clipped into multiple short form content, as you can see right over here. And all of them will also be ranked, as you can see right over here. So if it is 99 out of 100, that means it has the most amount of chance of going viral on any type of short form content platform like YouTube Shorts, Reels or TikTok. Now, you can play the video right over here to see a small preview. And down below you will have the captions, as you can see right over here. Now, if you want to edit the caption, you can also choose that option by going to edit clip. And then if you have any mistakes in the caption, you can just simply fix it right over here. It's totally up to you. You will have the timeline right over here as well. So if you want to design anything or add a few emojis and stuff, you can also do that. Or if you want to generate extra B-rolls with stock footages, you will also have the option of doing that by enabling this option as well. So once you have all the clips, as you can see right over here, all you have to do is just simply download them one by one by going to this option. Or if you want to change the title of the videos, you can also do that by just simply pressing this regenerate title option. So over here, you can directly upload the videos to your respective platforms as well. So for doing that, click on the share option over here. And then you can connect your TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn and YouTube Shorts directly to this platform. And then after you have connected all of the platforms, you can directly upload your short form content to your respective platforms, or you can just simply download it manually by clicking on this download option and then complete the download process just like this. And when the video is downloaded, as you can see right over here, they simply upload it manually on your respective platform, for example on YouTube Shorts. So as you can see, this is an example of a short clip that we just simply created from a podcast. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.